Hi there, I'd like to show you another piece of my project I'm working on here. It's another shelf for the accessory / tool wall. This one is held up with rope, as you can see, and can come off and swap to the other side if need be. And the fun feature with this one is, aside from all the hooks underneath, it comes off and turns into a toolbox. So I'll pop it off and show you that. You remove the rope, and you put these pieces, you turn these pieces of wood like that, and there we are. You add this piece of wood there, and this piece of wood here, and you've got a toolbox to go. Pretty fun.